Hello everyone, welcome back to Shamzmedia, and this is Zaka Arshamaki, and this is a channel whereby when I see any update on anything that's to do with media, church media, I bring it your way. Okay, I just discovered something very vital that you will love to know. Okay, what's that? So the thing is that I've been making research on why is it that maybe if you're doing a live streaming, is it possible for me to get a live streaming from a source and then send it to my software and then restream that particular, like, do you understand? Because like I'm curious, like maybe if I love football and then I want to restream a football, like a Nigerian match on my channel, is it possible I could do something like that? I was on research and I discovered it's very possible. So let's give it a try and see. Let me show you what you can do. So for instance, now let's head down to our browser. Let me head down to my browser. So this is your browser. Okay. And go down to your YouTube channel. Oh, sorry, my network is taking time. Okay, here are my videos, and so this is my YouTube channel, right? This is my channel. So I want to restream a particular video from my channel. Let me get the video. So let me get my all videos. Go home. My channel. Okay. Alright, these are videos on my channel. So this is the video I want to use. What do I need to do? Open the video. So this is the video I want to make use of, right? You see this video playing on my channel now. Okay, I want to restream this video. Yes, from here now I want to restream this video. Let me get the video quality right. So what you need to do, just head down and copy this video, right? Copy the video and then head down to your browser, your OBS software. So what I'll be using today is OBS software, right? Is OBS software I'll be using to make use of everything today. So now what do I need to do? I'll be using under my camera to make it. Okay, this is you click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, you head down to what is called browse, right? Then you click on it, stream, right? Once you click on stream, so it's going to give you an interface. So you see now, so what do you need to do? You replace this particular link with what you just copied, paste. So once you paste this now, immediately let's see what's going to give us. So can you see, as simple as that? So the same video I was watching a few minutes ago is now in my channel. Let me see. Yes, it's not giving me let me remove everything here, right? Let me remove everything here and see. So let's see. So you can see now, this is where you can also monitor everything around your, right? Let me see. So let me see. Let me make it. So okay. Yes, I want it to fit to screen. Yes, I just want to have. Yes, so you can see now. So everything that is working, like if you check mine, yes, you see as the video is working, everything is working. So I was actually giving a teaching where you can be able to color-grade your picture and everything is working. So everything is working fine now. So from here now, let me show you also how you can be able to stream this live now. So what do I need to do? Head down to your browser again. Right, from here now, search for Facebook. No. Search for Facebook. Okay, this is my Facebook. Yeah, this is my Facebook. So this is my Facebook. What do I need to do? Just to go ahead and create a live. My network is not strong. Okay, what do I need to just to go ahead and click on copy? So copy my link and then I come back to my stream. So just like I said, you go to your settings, and then settings, sorry. Oh, my network, God. So you head down to your stream and then you click on show, right? So what do I need to do? Control, click on it and click on control paste. So this is my new Facebook this thing. Click on apply and then let me go back and then add Shamzmedia Academy. Shamzmedia Academy 2026. Shamzmedia. Then click on OK. So now that everything is done, you go back to your OBS and then just click on start streaming. Right, start streaming. So once it's connected, you come back and then just allow it to connect. Once it's connected, you know that now automatically you have start streaming. Right, you have start streaming now. So once it's connected, you see that yes, my streaming has started. So now I see they say you are currently live. Yes, I'm seeing a lagging. Yep, what's happening? Yes, so you see my video is playing. So you see now my video, let me see my video quality. So you see everything is working fine from my stream board. So you see, so everything is working fine. And then where do you see I got this from? So I got it from my YouTube channel. Like it's coming from my YouTube channel directly. So everything playing from my YouTube channel is what you are seeing from here, right? Everything coming, you're seeing them live from here. Okay, so everything from my YouTube channel is coming in live. So yes, see my videos, see my videos. Yes, these are my videos, and then many more of my videos. So yes, I don't want this video to be too long, so I've shown you guys. Yes, I've shown you guys, and then see it keeps playing, and yeah, just loading because I just changed the loading because of network. So you see now everything is clear now. So if you go back to your stream, you can see that everything is working smoothly. Yes, everything is working smoothly, so you can have your stream working live now, right? And many more. Alright, but the purpose of this video, I don't want this video to be too long, so I will just end this video here. So now I believe I've shown you how it is and what it means that you can be able to get a source from an external and then come and stream your video, right? Come and stream your video without struggle, right? This one you don't need to go to any church and anywhere, but you can be able to get your video the way you want it and come and stream it. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time. I remain Zaka Shamaki.